So I'm driving down the road, and then I go to turn left, and I hear a wow, wow, wow sound. And then I just don't know what to do. So then I just rolled my window up, and then I turned my radio on so I can just drown out that noise. So I have like this dumpster at my house, and this garbage truck has to get back there to empty it because it's full, man, it's full. So I have to go out and move my car. Well, first I couldn't find my keys because I have like 10 dogs in my house and they're just all over the place. One of them probably ate one of the keys. I don't even know where it went. So I'm looking for the keys, and I finally found one, and my friend Jenny calls, and we just kind of get to talk, and then I totally forget the dumpster guy's supposed to come. So then I hear a honk in the driveway, and that guy's here. So I go outside, I go to start my car, and it just kind of makes a ee sound. And I'm just like, what was that, man? So then I go just start my car, I go to move it, and then when I put it in reverse, it's like a like this car's mad at me or something. So I finally get my car moved out of the way, and then the garbage guy does his thing, puts it back down. So then I pull my car back up because I'm not walking all that way just to get to my car when I need to leave. So I pull it back up and I go in the house. My cat just hacked up a fur ball right there, right where you walk in the door. And it was just a mess. Then I finally go back out to my car to leave, and I put it in reverse, and then it makes that noise again, the grrr.
Yeah, if you could just write that all down, that would be great.